Vaidas, we wanted to say thank you to KB Components for accommodating us this week for the video series. I think everyone's going to be really pleased to see the videos, so thank you.
It was our pleasure.
And it's wonderful to be here in Kaunas, the European City of Culture.
Yes, this year.
Which is wonderful, in Lithuania, certainly our first time in Lithuania. So again, thank you for accommodating us. Do you want to just say a few words about KB Components?
Yes, we are here in Kaunas, Lithuania, in the middle of Lithuania. We have been here almost 18 years now. We were opened in 2004, and we were one of the first actually companies in Lithuania certified as an automotive company. At that time, ISO TS standard, so-called. Yeah. Now it's IATF. And yes, we are one of the factories of a big KB Components group, which is actually celebrating 75 years anniversary this year. So a big celebration.
Yeah.
And we are operating in many fields, automotive field, but we have also industrial business, we have a furniture business, we have sanitary business, so it's a diverse mixture of different businesses we have here. And we have operations such as injection molding, assembly, ultrasonic welding. We also have plating on plastics.
Yeah, fantastic. I think, again, another thank you to you personally for getting so involved in the videoing. That's going to be really beneficial to our viewers. There's a risk you're going to do me and Devin out of a job, but that's probably not a bad thing.
No.
But yeah,
I will take that risk.
Yeah.
Okay. One follow-up question. As far as IATF 16949 certification, just explain to our viewers what it means to you and your corporation.
It means to, every day we have to be top in the class. I mean, this certification helps us develop in the most possible way. Every day we are getting challenges from the production, from the suppliers, from the customers and so on. But this certifications help us to keep the most positive direction. We know what we have to do, and we know how to do it. And it always keeps us, more focused on the customer and more focused on our operation excellence. So it's never a situation where we relax and we are happy with ourselves, and at the end of the day we see that we are doing something wrong. It also keeps us focused and going straight forward to the place where we want to be, and we want to be top in the class.
And again, congratulations on the 75-year anniversary for the organisation.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Not for you personally, but yeah. And thank you again on behalf of SMMT, IAOB, and our viewers on the YouTube channel.